Hello and welcome to the Blender Hobbyist. In this video we are going to continue with Smooth tool. Frankly, I have never used this tool, but I think it is useful for some of you, so it will be useful for some of you. So I'm going to show you what it is or how we can use it. So I'm going to subdivide it. Another one, okay. And now if you press Smooth tool, it is here. You can see it is gonna smooth your shape. At the same time, there's a randomize tool here beneath that tool. So you can make something like this or something like piece of paper, and you can use this for something. At the same time, I mean, we have another smoothing tools here in modifier, deform, smooth corrective and smooth Laplacian. And you can see you can smooth this with this modifier too. So with smooth tool you can make something, I mean, rocks or something, I mean, like papers, something like rocks, and then you can sculpt them. And then you can sculpt them and make something like rock or whatever you want. And I said at the first, I never used smooth tool, and maybe you want to make it something like rock or paper, piece of paper or something like that. And I have used smooth tool with Susan, make it smoother, and yeah, or you can make some defection on it, something like this. And you can make it, for example, old or ugly, and whatever you want. And now I'm gonna show you final thing about smooth tool, how you can use it. Yeah, that's not proper way to use subdivide, I know. Yep. For example, if I wanted to insert this thing, something like this, you wanted to make it smoother, yeah, you can see it's smooth this thing. And I don't know why you will use this, yeah. that's all I want to tell you about this smooth tool, and maybe, I'm not sure, to make this 3 tools which I never used to, and I'm gonna make poly build when after I made videos about sculpting, because this is a tool we use for retopology. That's why I'm gonna, highly possibly I'm gonna make it after sculpting videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel. Hit the like button. Take care of yourself.